We're here today outside Danescourt Primary to enforce our 20 mile an hour campaign, 20 mile an hour rule outside school. It's been going since 2014 and it's the first 20 mile an hour campaign of its kind across the UK, and we're here to educate drivers about the importance of sticking within the 20 limit outside school to protect our children and vulnerable road users.
Danescourt School have been helpful enough to allow us to come here in order to launch our 20s campaign. The 20s campaign is basically an enforcement campaign running for the whole entire week, based within 20 mile an hour zones within the whole of Wales.
And any drivers detected speeding today and all across Wales will have the opportunity to go on a specialised driver education course. And then they can really learn about the dangers of exceeding the speed limit in 20 and hopefully contribute towards protecting vulnerable road users.
During last year's campaign we actually stopped and prosecuted over 1,000 motorists for exceeding the speed limit, and this year we intend to carry out the same process of education and enforcement, with obviously those drivers exceeding the speed limit to a certain extent will actually be prosecuted and go to court.